within Heimdal's stack of tools, you have system restore management. Now, initially, we launched system restore management due to, let's say, patches breaking OSs, right? So you can use the system restore management to create restore points before any updates are applied. However, you've also got the ability to create and schedule your own automatic restore points. And the reason why this is important is ransomware rollback is using this same methodology. So you can periodically create restore points on a chosen day of the week, chosen time, decide how much disk space you want to allocate to those restore points. And should ransomware ever take hold, you'll be able to revert back to a restore point before any encryption attempts have already taken place on those endpoints. So this is already within the solution right now. So it's just worthwhile mentioning that you have this functionality. It's worthwhile creating restore points. And in essence, you're doing ransomware rollback. So the technology is already here. Just thought it'd be worthwhile us mentioning this as well. So this is another point that you can do to provide at least business continuity if an outbreak or ransomware breach should occur, and you've got the functionality to roll back to a working state within, I'd say, at least between 15 to 30 minutes to roll back to the endpoint.